Guys, thanks for coming today. I hope you're enjoying the show so far. Bridgend College. This next song, you might know the words, so I hope you sing along. Where are those happy days? They seem so hard to find. I try to reach for you, but you have closed your mind. Whatever happened to our love? I wish I understood. It used to be so nice, it used to be so good. So when you hear me, darling, can you hear me? SOS. The love you gave me, nothing else can save me. SOS. When you're gone, how could I even try to go on? When you're gone, though I try, how can I carry on? You seem so far away, though you were standing near. You made me feel alive, but something died, I feel. I really tried to make it up. I wish I understood. What happened to our love? It used to be so good. So when you hear me, darling, can you hear me? SOS. The love you gave me, nothing else can save me. SOS. When you're gone, how can I even try to go on? When you're gone, though I try, how can I carry on? So when you hear me, darling, can you hear me? SOS. The love you gave me, nothing else can save me. SOS. When you're gone, how can I even try to go on? When you're gone, though I try, how can I carry on? When you're gone, how can I even try to go on? Good afternoon.
song I wrote a couple of Easters ago about a past lover. It's called Easter Came Around. Easter came around so fast, and you're not here to hold. Maybe out of nowhere I'll see you again, so I can hold you close. I'll hold you close, so I don't lose you, so I don't lose you in the crowd. I'll hold you close, I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna let you out of sight, let you out of mind. Look at all the Easter eggs for you, but where are you now? Maybe out of nowhere I'll see you again, so I can hold you close. I'll hold you close, so I don't lose you, so I don't lose you in the crowd. I'll hold you close, I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna let you out of sight, let you out of mind. Oh no, oh no, I don't wanna let you out of sight. Hold you close, so I don't lose you, so I don't lose you in the crowd. I'll hold you close, don't wanna lose you, don't wanna let you out of sight, let you out of mind. Thank you.
Hello, Cardiff Bay. How are we? Hello. This is a song by a band called Biffy Clyro. Maybe you know, maybe not. Yeah. Hope you enjoy.
Took a bite out of mountain range. Thought my teeth could break the mountain down. Let's go, I wanna go all the way to the horizon, back to the ocean and treading water there before I drown. Let's dive, I wanna dive to the bottom of the ocean. Took a ride, I took a ride, I wouldn't go there without you. Let's take a ride, let's take a ride, I wouldn't leave there without you. I am a mountain, I am the sea, I'm the jungle soul. There's an end to my horizon. Took a ride, I took a ride. I wouldn't go there without you. Stick a ride, I wouldn't leave there without you. I am a mountain, I am the sea. You can't take that away from me. I am a mountain, I am the sea. 'Cause you tear us apart with all the things you don't like. You can't understand that I won't leave till we're finished here. And then we'll find out where it all went wrong. Nothing lasts forever except you and me. You are my mountain, you are my sea. Love can last forever between you and me. You are my mountain, you are my sea. I am a mountain, I am the sea. You can't take that away from me. I am a mountain, I am the sea. I am a mountain, I am the sea. Thank you very much.
Hello. We're going to do a Coldplay track now. So if you like it. Try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, not what you need. When you're so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. And the tears come streaming down your face. When you do something you can't replace. You love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite you more. And I will try to fix you. High up above or down below. Like you're too in love to let it go. If you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide
fix you.
Thank you.
Okay, we're Bridgend College. We're playing another track now.
I find a map and draw a straight line over rivers, following state lines. The distance from it to where you'd be, it's only fingerless that I see. I touch the place where I find your face. Your thunder increases of distant dark places. I hang my coat up in the first bar. There is no peace there, I felt so far. The laughter penetrates my silence, as drunken men find flaws in science. The worst, mostly noises, ghosts with just voices. Your soft skin is breathing. I want music to me. I'm miles from where you are. I lay me down on the cold ground, and I pray that something picks me up and sets me down in your warm arms. After I have traveled so far, we set the fire to the third wall. We share each other like an island, until exhausted close our eyelids and dreaming pick up from the last place we left off. Your soft skin is weeping. I join you in keeping. I'm miles from where you are. I lay me down on the cold ground, and I
Hello people, thanks for coming. My name is Marcus, this is my group, and hopefully you know this song. Sing along if you wish.
Yeah, you are my fire, the one desire, believe when I say I want it that way.
We are two worlds apart, can't reach to my heart when you say
I want it that way. Tell me why.
ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why. I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
Am I your fire, the one desire? Yes, I know it's too late. I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why. I never wanna hear you say
I want it that way. Now I can see that we're falling apart the way that we used to be.
yeah. No matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me, you are my fire, the one desire. You
Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. I never wanna be safe. I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why. I never wanna hear you say
I want it that way.
'cause I want it that way.
What's this? There's colors everywhere. There's one things in the air.
I can't believe my eyes.
I must be dreaming. Wake up, Jack. What's this? What's this?
What's this?
Everyone,
What's this? There's children singing songs.
What's this?
The streets are lined with.
Little creatures laughing.
everybody seems so happy.
Have I possibly gone daffy? What is this?
What's this?
It's really cool, it's novel.
Instead of throwing heads, they're busy building toys. Certainly no one's dead.
Every window that can be mine.
And in my bones I feel the warmth that's
Coming from inside. Oh, yeah. What's this? The hanging mistletoe.
Big it.
Why, that looks so unique. What's this?
What's
It's colored in the street.
and white.
You've got electric lights on strings. There's a smile on everyone.
Could it be I got my wish?
Just think, what is it? I got my wish. my bones, I feel the warmth that's coming from inside. What's this? What's this?
Hey guys, how you doing? I can't hear you. There we go. Ready to start dancing or what? This is Starships. Let's go to the beach, let's go away. They say what thing they say, have a drink, clink, find a bad night, bad bitch like me, it's hard to come to find the drone. Oh, let's get it on this zone, oh yes, from this zone, say 2, 3, leave a good tip, I'm not blowing money, I don't care, I'm on the floor. I love to dance if you want more, then here I am, get on the floor, like it's your last chance if you want more, then here I am.
Starships, we're meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop, cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time.
Oh,
Starships, we're meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one more time. Can't stop, we're higher than a shooting star.
I own that, and I pay my rent this month. I owe that, but do what you want and do what you like. Dance all night, there's no one inside. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now bright say Ray, cause you Ray. Don't money cause you pay day. And on the G, or GGG. My name is Zach and call me Zachy. Get on the floor. I love to dance if you want more. Then here I am, get on the floor. Like it's your last chance if you want more. Then here I am.
Starships, we're meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop, cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time.
Oh,
Starships, we're meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop, higher than a shooting star.
last pretense, and your tired eyes refuse to close and sleep in your defense. When it's in your spine, like you walked for a mile, and the only thing you want is just to be still for a while. Away, away now. Away, away now. Away, away now. Away, away now.
If your heart breaks in, I will hold you up, and I will hide you. When it gets too much, I'll be right beside you. I'll be right beside you.
Overwhelmed, and you've lost your breath, and the space between the things you know is blurry nonetheless. When you try to speak, but you make no sound, and the words you wanted out of reach, but they never reach so loud. Away, away,
I will hold you up, and I will hide you. When it gets too much, I'll be right beside you. I'll be
And your tired eyes refuse to close and sleep in your defense.
We are going to be doing in the jungle. Hope you enjoy.
boy,
once again with me, how strange duets. My power over you grows stronger yet. And though you turn from me to clouds behind, the phantom of the opera is there inside your mind. Those who have seen your face draw back in fear. I am the mask you wear. It's me they hear. My spirit and your voice in one combined. The phantom of the opera is here inside your mind. The phantom of the opera is here. The phantom of the opera. In all your fantasies, you always knew that man and mystery were both in you. And in this labyrinth, where night is blind, the phantom of the opera is there inside your mind. Sing my angel music. Sing.
Okay guys, I hope you've enjoyed yourselves. We're coming towards the end of our show now. We've got one more song for you.
Okay, this is quite a well-known song, so have a sing-along if you feel like it, if you know the words. If you want to have a bit of a sing, don't have to, but you can if you want.
So true in fantasies, meant for someone else, but not for me. Love was out to get me. That's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. And then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace. A doubt in my mind. I'm in love. Ooh, I'm a believer. I could leave her if I tried.
I thought love was more or less a kiss for free. More I gain and the less I've got. Oh yeah. What's the use to try? All you get is pain. When I wanted sunshine,
I got rain. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace. Not a trace. Down
All you get is me. When I wanted sunshine, I got rain. And then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace. It's out of my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. And I saw her face. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer, not a trace. It's out of my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. I like another one? Yeah. Sure now? Yeah. Okay.
Guys, just a big thank you to all of us here tonight. This is the last song we're going to perform. Big round of applause for everyone here. I want to go back and sing it, but we'll put the time in tonight. Thanks, guys.
Try baby Lou.